Orthodontics isn't just about aligners. It's about mastering structured diagnosis and biomechanics for predictable outcomes. At Tactics, we teach you to truly understand tooth movement, not just to prove simulations. The Postgraduate Certificate in Orthodontics is a 12-month program for general dental practitioners. Delivered in person in London with full online access to recordings, it offers flexibility without compromising standards. The program includes 12 in-person teaching days over 12 months. Miss a day? Access recorded sessions or join future cohorts. Flexibility is built into the structure. You'll learn templated diagnosis, biomechanics, and ethical decision-making with hands-on typodont practical training. We ensure you apply structured orthodontic thinking clinically. Engage in case-based discussions and treatment planning exercises. Our assessments focus on real-world competence, reinforcing skills through structured assignments and portfolio-based evaluations. Monthly academic Zoom sessions and ongoing case discussions provide continuous support. Enjoy lifetime alumni support and direct treatment planning guidance, ensuring education extends beyond certification. Join a strong professional network with exclusive discounts and extensive online resources. Access clinical templates and structured simulation guides, enhancing clarity and confidence in practice. Explore the upcoming diploma pathway for further advancement. Postgraduate Certificate lays the foundation, while the diploma remotely builds mastery, offering a pathway to advanced orthodontic training at your own practice. By joining our program, you'll move from guessing at outcomes to planning with precision. Visit keftacticsdental.com or arrange a call to discuss your application. We look forward to meeting you soon.